At this point, you're probably wondering how the observations are done. We have seen the cycle of an Argo float and how it measures oceanographic parameters. But how does it work? What's inside this revolutionary device? Standard Argo floats are devices that weigh around 20 kilos and are approximately 2 meters high. They dive vertically by changing their buoyancy, so they can resurface and submerge. There is no propulsion system at all, so their horizontal movements are caused by the currents that carry them adrift. They consist of three subsystems: a hydraulic system that controls the buoyancy through an external inflatable bladder, so that the profiler can resurface and submerge; a microprocessor that collects and stores the data from the sensors until it can be transmitted; and finally, a data transmission system that controls communication with satellites.